Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software version on your headphones REALME T310. You have to start by open the application and now click on your headphones, and as you can see we have update, so you can update it here or click later. Now if you haven't it, just click at the three dots, firmware version, and you can update it also here, so just click on it. Now don't use your headphones until the update is finished. Now click confirm and you can go back. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!